I think there's a new use of the word generational emerging in the English language. Previously, of course, the phrase used to just mean pertaining to generations. Like when we talked about generational trauma or generational wealth, that just meant passed down from one age cohort to another. But at some point in the last 5 years, we also started using it to mean the best in a generation or the worst in a generation. So now when you say that was a generational run or that person's the generational talent, you're using it to mean that's the best thing we're going to see in our age group. Or a generational fumble is the worst fumble that's going to happen for our generation. However, I also think we've been saying this so much that the word generational has started undergoing semantic bleaching, where its original power was diluted and now it just means very good or very bad. Once we start calling every funny joke a generational banger or every mistake a generational fall off, it instead becomes what linguists call an intensifier, something that doesn't really have its own meaning but rather adds a degree of intensity to another word. A similar example is the word incredibly, which used to describe something that's not credible, not believable, but now you can say that anything's incredibly good or incredibly bad regardless of how believable it is or not. In the same way, the word generational doesn't have to be about generations anymore. It can now also just mean very good or very bad, and you can stick it in front of pretty much any word.